Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.93. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 39.45%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.32% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of approximately 21.61% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from -81.88% to 111.5%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a potential change of 59.17%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 37.37% to 432.23% in the coming year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price between $4.26 and $16.50. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Significant Movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating 16.98% between high and low. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price rose by 16.54% on the most recent trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, increasing from $2.66 to $3.10. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 16.98%, ranging from a low of $2.65 to a high of $3.10. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, reflecting a decline of 2.82% over that period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator. With a total of 14 million additional shares traded compared to the previous day, overall, 66 million shares changed hands for approximately $203,840,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $10.35 and a trough of $1.17. Currently, the price stands 70.05% or $7.25 below the 52-week high, and 80.77% or $13.02 beneath the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when it reached $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings, Inc., trading under the symbol BBAI, is currently facing scrutiny due to several investigations initiated by notable law firms, including Levi and Korsinski and Pomerantz LLP. These investigations are centered around potential violations of federal securities laws, specifically following BigBear's notification to the Securities and Exchange Commission regarding a delay in filing its annual 10-K report. This delay has raised concerns among investors, leading to investigations into possible securities fraud. In the short term, this situation may result in increased volatility in BBAI's stock price, as investor sentiment could shift negatively in response to the uncertainty regarding the company's adherence to regulatory requirements. The involvement of law firms implies that there could be significant legal consequences, which may further deter potential investors. Looking further ahead, if the investigations uncover substantial issues, it could affect BigBear's reputation and operational strategies, potentially leading to a prolonged downturn in stock performance. On the other hand, if the company successfully addresses these concerns, it may regain investor confidence and stabilize its stock price. Nonetheless, the current news indicates a precarious situation for BBAI as it navigates through these investigations and the consequent market reactions. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, H.C. Wainwright again assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially influencing short-term developments. The stock for BigBear.ai Holdings carries a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $3.87. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $2.95. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and to date, it has decreased by 68.3%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 39 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 102 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 34 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $3.04, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 450 cents between its high and low, or approximately 16.98%. Over the past week, the stock demonstrated an average daily volatility of 17.47%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a consistently negative PE ratio may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts are projecting a consensus estimate of -6 cents. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.27. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.04. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April in the year 2025, Sean Raymond Ricker conducted an insider purchase of 125,284 shares of common stock. On the same day, Carolyn Blankenship made an insider purchase of 151,442 shares of common stock. Also on April 1st, Carolyn Blankenship executed an insider sale of 18,135 shares of common stock. On April 1st, Julie Peffer carried out an insider purchase of 146,853 shares of common stock. On the same day, Julie Peffer conducted an insider sale of 20,156 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 94.528. In total, insiders purchased 2,525,089 shares and sold 117,652,897 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by 15 cents, beginning trading at $2.95. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.